Hello everyone, this is Sanjana from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this video, let us see the research paper on network security. Let us see the abstract of the network security. Network security has become more important to personal computer users, organizations, and the military. With the advent of the internet, security became a major concern, and the history of security allows a better understanding of the emergence of the security technology. The internet secure structure itself allows for many security theaters to occur. If the architecture of the internet is modified, it can reduce the possible attacks that can be sent across the net. Knowing the attack methods allows us to merge with appropriate security. Many businesses secure themselves from the internet by means of firewalls and encryption mechanisms. The business create an intranet to remain connected to the internet but secured from possible theaters. The entire field of network security is vast and in an evolutionary stage. In order to understand the research beginning performed today, background knowledge of the internet, its vulnerabilities, attack methods to the internet, and security technology is important, and therefore they are reviewed. Index terms: data security, internet architecture, IPv4, network security. Now let us see the introduction about network security. The world is becoming more interconnected due to internet and new networking technology. There is a large amount of personal, commercial, military, and government information on network infrastructure worldwide. Network security is becoming of utmost important because of intellectual property that can be easily acquired through the internet. There can be breach in intellectual property. There are four types: vast topics, internet architecture and vulnerable security aspects of the internet, types of internet attack and security methods, security for network with internet access, current development in network security hardware and software. Network security. Systems and network technology is a key technology for a wide variety of applications. Network application needs security. Although network security is a critical requirement, there is a significant lack of security methods that can be implemented easily. Access: authorized user and provide the means to communicate to and from a particular network. Confidentiality: information in the network remains private. Authentication: ensures the users of the network and who they say they are. Integrity: ensure the message has not been modified in transit. Non-repudiation: ensures the user does not refute the network. Differentiating data security and network security. Data security is the aspect of security that allows a silenced data to be transferred into unintelligible data for transmission. Even if this unintelligible data is intercepted, a key is needed to decode the message. This method of security is effective to a certain degree. Strong cryptography in the past can be easily broken today. Due to the advancement of hackers, cryptography methods have to be developed constantly to be one step ahead. Internet architecture and vulnerable security aspects. Fear of security branches on the internet is causing organizing to use protected private networks or internets. The Internet Engineering Task Force has introduced security mechanisms at various layers of the Internet Protocol suite. The security mechanisms allows for the logical protection of data units that are transformed across the network. The current version and new version of the Internet Protocol are analyzed to determine the security implications. Attacks through the current Internet Protocol IPv4. Common internet attack method. Common internet attack method can broken down into categories. Some attacks gain system knowledge or personal information, such as eavesdroppings and phishing. Attacks can also interface with the system's intended functions, such as viruses, worms, and trojans. Security issue of IP protocol IPv6. IPv6 is the next thing everyone talking about. From a security point of view, IPv6 is a considerable advancement over the IPv4 Internet Protocol. Despite the IPv6 TS great security mechanism, it still continues to be vulnerable to theater. The possible security problems emerge due to the following: header manipulation issue, flooding issue, mobility issue. Security in different networks. The business today use combination of firewalls, encryption, and authentication mechanism to create internets that are connected to the internet but protected from it at the same time. Internet is a private compute network that uses internet protocols. Internet differ from extranets in that the former and generally restricted to employees of the organization, while externets are, can generally be accessed by customers, suppliers, or other approved parties. Current development in network security. The network security